Hey friends, if you have been following Upcountry for any amount of time, there's a good chance that you know that I'm pretty anti-repotting interior plants. However, I do have a Ficus Amstel King that has been in its grow pot for 5 years. It's been 5 years since I installed it, and it's starting to show signs of sort of wimping out. So it is time, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that, and I hope it's helpful. Okay, so here's the ficus in question. And if you go under here, it's just not putting out a lot of new shoots anymore. And that's what we want to see. So as Rafiki says, it is time. So I did, you can kind of see, these are the levels of roots that are starting to grow out the bottom of the sweet guy. And if we take it down very carefully, you can see that this is what we have going on down there. So definitely time to repot. I believe this is an 18-inch pot, and I went ahead and I found a 24-inch pot that we're going to go ahead and put it in. So because I have the upper arm strength of a limp noodle, I'm actually going to do the repotting inside the house. Not something I'd usually recommend, especially if I had help, but I don't today, and so it's just going to be me repotting it inside. The things that I am going to use to put inside the new pot is cactus mix. Cactus mix is my general go-to for all interior plants because it drains so nicely. And then I will be adding a tiny bit of biotone, and that's just going to help. That one word, encourage, stimulate root growth for the plant. All right, so you guys didn't see any of that, but this is what we now have. I was able to get those loose without breaking any of them. All right, let's go prep the new one. Generally, I would say only increased by 2 inches, but this has been doing great for 5 years, so we went ahead and anteed up to a bigger pot.